So if you're looking to unlock business tools on Instagram, I'm going to show you in this video how to switch your personal account to a professional business account on Instagram so that you can access analytics, advertising tools, and more. Let's jump in. So when you open up your Instagram account, what you want to do is, instead of on the home page, you want to head over to the bottom right-hand corner where your profile picture is, click on that to open your personal profile. Then, sort of below your picture, you want to go to Edit Profile. And then towards the bottom there, you'll see where it says Switch to Professional Account. We'll click on that. And it gives you an idea of what it's going to include in that, and click Next. Now, before I get too far into this, if you're serious about really growing your business on Instagram, we've put together a free resource for you. It's a free Instagram for Business kit. And it covers how to get followers, navigate algorithm updates, and measure your results. Plus, it comes with post and story templates and expert guidance on hashtags, reels, strategy, posting for maximum growth, everything you need to know to grow your business on Instagram. Plus, it's completely free, so all you have to do is just click the link in the description, and it's all yours. And jumping back in here, it's going to ask you which category best describes you. I'm just going to say editor, and we'll go switch to professional profile down at the bottom. And then next, you have two different options. You can have this be as a business or as a creator. And it gives a little breakdown of what they mean by that. I'm just going to say creator and click next. And then you have the option to add it to your Facebook profile. That is entirely up to you. So I'm going to go not now. And then it's going to take you to a page like this. These are just some suggestions from Instagram to make your business profile even stronger. So you can either do some of those or all of those, whatever you wish. And we're just going to close out of that. And you are set. Now you have a professional Instagram account, and you can see down below there, now have professional dashboard. You click on that and it gives you all the different types of analytics that you're looking for to have a strong business profile. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.